Charmaine wanted to put on a wig, and I was up for the challenge to help her achieve that. So, a little bit of background on Charmaine. If you are new to my channel, she is my sister, and we started her locks back in April of 2020. So she is about 8 months locked now, and we maintain her locks usually using the crochet method. So yeah, her locks are coming along really nicely, and she just washed her hair, so her hair is damp right now. And what I did was I applied some extra virgin olive oil and Jamaican black castor oil mix onto her scalp. And I'm just doing a light palm roll on her locks so that I can barrel roll them so that her hair can be as flat as possible for her wig. So you're going to notice that I did not braid like all the way behind her ear for a few of these braids because when I go to actually sew down her locks, it will need to be as flat as possible. So you'll see as you keep watching when I finish doing these barrel rolls slash braids, they will come together nicely when I'm ready to sew them down. So what I'm doing after I barrel roll, when I get to the ends, I kind of braid them so that everything stays together. And if I run out of length in some of the locks, I just end up twisting them at the bottom. And some of them I actually did have to secure with a rubber band, and some I did not. So yeah, guys, I'm just going to repeat that and show you guys what I'm doing. And I will see you when we are ready to start sewing. All right, guys, so this is how it looks. I'm going to start sewing down each barrel twist now. As you can see, our hair is really neat, and it is as flat as I could get it. So here I'm just using a typical needle and thread. Now, I will say that I am not like a huge fan of putting wigs over locks. I will do it for my sister if she wants to achieve a certain look. And the biggest reason why I'm not a huge fan of it is because of the sewing part. You know, do what you gotta do. You want to wear your wig, girl. Like, that's no big deal with me. But the sewing part kind of, I don't really know if it's damaging to the lock, but it kind of is concerning to me, because when I used to get wigs and I had loose natural hair, it used to break my hair when it was in the braids. So, you know, she's not gonna leave this in for too long, and I'm trying my best not to sew it too tight, and hopefully this doesn't damage her hair. She did have a wig on for the past 3 weeks, so, and we did the same thing, so her hair seems to be staying healthy. So yeah, hopefully it stays that way. And I'm just showing you guys here how I am exactly trying to keep the hair as flat as possible. I'm sewing down in all the areas where the barrel twist slash braids can fit and be really flat. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And that's all I'm really showing you guys. She ended up styling her wig herself. I helped her put it on, but other than that, I did not make this wig. I will put the wig specs in the description box if anyone's interested. And yeah, so I'm gonna keep sewing, and then you guys can see how the base for her wig ended up looking when we're done in a few. So this is how the base ended up looking for her wig, and we're pretty happy with the results. It's as flat as it could be. Her locks are thickening up, so it's not super flat, but yeah. So she's about to put her wig on. So we put the wig cap on first, and I think we ended up deciding to take it off because she does have an invisible closure, so it looked fine without it. So yeah, the hair is really nice and silky. It fits her very well. It's not too thick, and this is the finished product. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.